guys, it's your boy Booney back at Backwoods Customs, and we are going to put a cabin air filter in this 2016 new body Cruze. So 16.5 on up to current as we speak today, and you just need a 7mm, I believe. I haven't never done it before, so we're gonna hop into it and we'll see what we get into. All right guys, so step one is going to be popping this cover off to reveal the bolts. And then so far you got 1 bolt, 2 bolt. Oh, it feels like somebody's already been in here maybe. Looks like that was broken previously maybe. We'll worry about that later. Yeah, this has already been taken apart once. I have a really mildewy smell, and the only thing I can think of is it coming from this, because it only comes on when the AC comes on. And then you got 2 more on this side. There is a screw down here at the bottom. Looks like this panel has to come off. Go ahead and set that on top. And then this guy. Fold him out of the way like that. Oh, here, this piece. Man, this is like a friggin' whole deal. There we go. And now we're out. Oh, that clip got clipped again. So right here is the cabin air filter. I don't know why they buried it. Got a clip on. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So the arrow's facing down, so make sure you put the new one in with the arrow facing down as well. Oh, this sucker's like jam-packed full of junk. Look at that, boys. That's time to be changed. All right, we're just gonna blow this out a little bit. All right, nothing's really in there. We're good. Get your favorite Chinese brand off eBay, $8.50. All right, so a lot of you guys ask how I get things so cheap or how I find them. You want the links, but I buy most of my stuff on eBay, so I can't really use a link because it'll be dead by the time you go to buy it in 2 years. So for my Chevy Cruze, for instance, 17, now mine is 16.5, but it's much less complicated. Just use a 17 Cruze cabin air filter, and then you go up here and you sort by I want the lowest, and then I wanted to get it the quickest. I ended up buying this one. This one I don't think was here, or maybe it was a little more expensive, but either way I ended up buying this one and bought it for $8 shipped to my house. And as you can see in the video, everything worked out great. Everything went in well. I was very happy with it. So hope this helps you guys find stuff. But yeah, that's basically how I find stuff on eBay. Look at that. Looks just like the GM one. Mint. It's got an arrow. Arrow goes down. Should just be able to give her the old slip in. Bam. So if we do a shortcut, you can see right here, guys, this goes around a little nipple here, so make sure you pull that off, and then you pull this big panel off, you pull the little panel off there, which there's a fuse box in there, good to know, and then you move that to the side a little bit, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7mm, and then she does the old. Don't forget about this one, guys. 5. You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then she'll do the old. So if GM quality gets you as well, go ahead and get you some old super glue or like that 5-minute epoxy stuff, plastic weld, whatever, and just go ahead and schmutz a little bit on there. Oh, overshot it a little. That's fine. That'll buff out. And then it goes right in there. And then I'm just going to take some of this and fill in the holes a little bit. Well, use the whole tube on her, boys. Use the whole tube on her. We'll just we'll let that sit while we're putting the rest of it together. Alright, so we're just going to do this in reverse of how we took it apart, obviously. Alright guys, so that's it. As you see, not really super simple, but you can get it done. Just get a 7mm socket, probably easier with a little extension, and you're good to go. No more mildew smell, fresh air, and you're golden. So if you like this little video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you like the content, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.